William Ruto loko pache ewi chike magayo bor mar orofa migero machiegni koda kambi jolweny mag kor lwasi mantiere kar dak ma Eastleigh boma ma Nairobi. Dwe achiel mokalo jatend piny no yiene ji oger ute orofa mokalo 12 machiegni kod kambi jolweny no. Kata kamano sani koro loko pache e wachno kowacho ni orofa maboyo ok dwar machiegni kod kambi jolweny kaluwore koda luoro ni jowasigu nyalo tiyo kodgi e njore. Wach mosir kod gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ka koro sirkal chano muko orofa moger maboyo machiegni kod kambi no.
In discussions with the County of Nairobi, we will make sure that this facility does not lose its premier position, and all buildings that have been built beyond the heights that are provided for in law, we will work with the Nairobi City County to make sure that all developers keep to the standards that we have agreed with the Kenya Airforce and with the Kenya Defense Forces.
The aviation regulations provide what is called a flight funnel. And that flight funnel shows that the nearest point of the plot to take off, so it's the angles of takeoff and landing that actually determine then those restrictions. Yeah, I was just consulting to see what those are. So that is what determines it. So the farther from that height, the higher then you can go, so long as you don't now interrupt the takeoff and the landing. So in that area actually, since that older master plan, there's no specific restriction, but it's calculated based on now the provision that is brought. But what is there in the law from the 76 is actually 4 floors.